Hey guys, it's me here, Joey3889, and today I found this lost kitten on my home, and yeah, I actually feel bad for her. I give her pretzels, but she doesn't want it. Why? And at the moment, my parents are eating. Just like, look how curly she is. I mean, look how cute. Oh. She's a baby, I think. I don't know about the cat's age, but she really loves my hand. Okay, kitty, you really love it? My voice is really bad right now because I'm freezing outside. So yeah, I found this cat banded. I'm not sure what am I supposed to do. Yeah, I'm gonna see what else. Okay, we're back, and I had to take a quick bathroom break. But yeah, I don't know if it's a he or she. You guys comment down below if it's a he or she. If you could just tell. Oh my God, she loves my hand so much. But yeah, as you see here, she's so cute. Alright, the reason I keep on pausing, because my mom keeps on calling me. And so yeah, oh, she's a veteran. Oh, she found out about the staircase. How beautiful it is. I wonder if she's going to climb my knee and lean up to me. But yeah, guys, like, if she could climb up to me, then expose my face. But nah, that's not gonna happen. She's not that smart. Yeah, in the background, that's my little brother playing outside. I'm not sure if this is wild or not, but my little brother says it came from there, from that hole. And yeah, guys, as soon as I post this video, I'm gonna post the video that I meant to post this morning when I wake up, but I was late. And yeah, you know, you heard me. Alright. Look how calm she is. What, you don't love me no more? You found another owner? Alright, I see how it is. Oh, never mind. She came back for the soft jeans. Uh-oh, she's going up. She's hunting for the prey. Stop, Joshua, stop! Like, for real, just stop. This is a small kid. I wonder what happened if I sit down, guys. Or like, let me sit down. Sit down. So yeah, guys, comment down in the section of what should I name this cat. Should I like name her something? I don't know. Like, she basically lives in my house or something. Oh, who's a cute kitty? Well, yeah, right now I'm not in my house. First of all, I'm in one of my aunts. But I sleep here. Oh shoot, she's doing facial contact. Help me. Oh yes. Look how calm and mighty she is. It's like, what am I looking at? Is this your thickness? It's weak. But yeah, right now, that's my little brother running. Oh, stop moving, please. Alright, I'm gonna showcase you, but you're getting bored. I know this isn't a good showcase, but hey. I'm not sure why, but this is actually a pretty cute cat. And she doesn't shed a lot like my dog. Like my dog does. Say hi to the camera! Oh my gosh, she actually listens to me. Oh man, I'm a proud cat owner. But yeah, you know those cat abuse videos, I actually feel bad for those cats. Since look what they are in the main person. Oh, I just fell asleep. But yeah, this is a very calm cat. Oh, he's coming. She's getting ready to pounce somebody. She's pretty friendly. Uh-oh, she's climbing on me. Uh-oh, is she gonna sit down? Is she gonna sit down? Saw me. Don't bite me. Ah. She's getting comfy. Get your butt out of my face, please. I won't like that. Look how fragile she is. God, now my mom's gonna get pissed at me. She's even shaking. Also, she's gonna step because I can't. She's on me. But yeah, we're back. We took a quick minute break. Can you get off? Can you get off of me? She found the pretzel. Oh no, she's calling my favorite sweater. Oh God. That actually pretty much hurt. Are you taking a dump on me, kitty? Hmm? Yes, mission fast. Alright, first let me dust this off. Yeah, she got stretched up. She knows she was trying to win. But luckily, my subscriber saved me. Look how sad she is now. I now feel bad. I need to dust this off. Like, yeah, guys, I wonder if I should pick her up. I'm not sure she's gonna scratch or anything. I think she's wild or something. Wanna touch it? Red's gonna touch it. So yeah, I'm not doing a face expose for him either. But if you're scratching, don't blame it on me. Oh wait, no, that sounds pretty dumb. Hold up. But yeah, since he was like touching it, then he was snitch on me. So yeah, I told him like to not scratch. And like, how much? Like half an hour already?
Who are you talking to?
It's been like half an hour already with this cat. My brother's terribly freezing. He's shaking. Well, don't step at the tail. Ew, that's what's inside the pretzel, guys. Crack. Raise your hand if you want this crack. Oh, we know. Okay, now whatever you guys call it these days. Oh, look. So yeah, this cat is very calm, nice, and I'm chilling. Oh shoot, I just broke one of my... Nah, she won't care. Yeah guys, guess we're going.
Why?
Because I'm about to go. Yeah kitty, go. Go back to the hole and let you go into my aunt's house. My grandma's house. Actually. Okay guys, I now noticed something. What I did was amazing. Okay, so just take one of these, right? Right? And look what I do. Just gonna go up and claw it. She's like, I got my... See, she's been... Kitty.
No.
See, she's trying to catch it. She's trying to get it. She got some fast hands. I bet you, if I try to slap box that, I would have been done.
And then
kitty.
She can scratch you dirty.
Guess you just go in for a face reveal you.
Then we race?
After.
Huh?
After. Wait. See, she knows she can't catch this. But yeah, I'm gonna do it the other way. See if she likes this. Basically, like I'm doing a fishing hook. Fishing hook. Fishing hook. Fishing hook. Want a fishing hook? Come on. Want it? Ooh. 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 Fish. Ooh. But yeah, that's fine. Oh shoot. She now discovered the new floors. Oh. 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 It's Spider-Man. Oh shoot. I messed with the wrong cat. I'm out. I guess I gotta carry it. Since you guys would like to see the action. Oh shoot, I can't let it go up high. It's gonna fall. Wait, I got you. We'll carry it. Hi, kitty. Kitty.
He's gonna bite you!
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Hold up.
And she can stretch.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get this cat down. Alright, guys, I saved the cat. Oh. Don't, Joshua, don't.
This chair for her, not mine.
Oh, alright. See, she'll come again, huh? You won't. Yeah, I'll save you, Spider Cat. No, don't. She's gonna fall off and she'll get hurt. Cat abuser before face exposure.
This is her chair now.
Oh, let's not leave it. She was like this, just move. Look over there. So she was like this. Yeah, she was climbing like school. I mean, I actually carried it and I almost dropped her, but my hands grabbed her in time. But yeah, guys, I'm recording another video after this. It's gonna be a part 2. Alright, part 2 ready, right, guys? Alright, so let's go.